Like Rockhound State Park in Deming, New Mexico. It's kind of out of the way of the town, up on a hill. Here's how the sunrises start. Well, it's kind of the whole sunrise, to be fair. Concrete little drainage around the whole thing, so when it rains, that water really needs to go somewhere. The bathrooms are good. Not all state parks have good bathrooms. I would shower here. I think there's 3 showers in the men's room. Some sinks, some toilets, all well kept, well maintained. The outside of the bathrooms, handicap accessible. Here's us coming back from a little hike we took that is just down the road from the campground, which was beautiful. Oh yeah, so it's pretty close by. There's a handicap site, really nice. If you got mobility issues, this park can accommodate. Dump station's great, level, concrete, all slope, so you're not gonna get your shoes wet. Site 15, up on the hill. We like that site, that's why we picked it. You're kind of right up, overlooking the whole park. It's very quiet here at night. There's also trails around this campground. Beautiful, they're just trails. And you can collect rocks here, thus the name, Rockhound State Park. Up in the distance there, you see where the campground is, and then way off in the distance was the town. Barrel cactus, I like them. They're gonna bloom good this year, it looks like. And I can never get enough drone shots. Because if you really want to look at a place, you know, slow roll and slow pan and slow slide on a drone just makes for good viewing. Especially, you know, just, you know, the golden hour, morning or night. All the sites are spacious. All the sites have a covered picnic table. Again, it's a good park. You got to sign up in advance because it is popular, quite a bit in advance. Flying over that dump station and the entrance to the campground. No water hookups. I mean, no dump hookups, but they have water and power. Yeah, beautiful. Look at that. Yet another drone shot. It gives you a good idea what the park is. There's a couple of 3 pull-throughs, but backing up isn't so bad either. You will want to put it in 4-wheel drive if you're backing into Site 15 or the one next to it. Otherwise, you're just going to dig holes. And having said that, it's all left except the sunset. So here's the sunset. Please like, subscribe, and notify to our channel.